world where home security cameras are becoming more prevalent, what kind of frightening events will they capture? From brazen criminals to bizarre intruders, these are the frightening real-life terror videos caught on doorbell cameras. Get ready for scary videos caught on doorbell camera. A man in this video approaches an unidentified porch while carrying what looks to be a plastic bag and a roll of toilet paper. His anxious, somewhat twitchy behavior lets you know something is off as soon as he enters the porch. The man might be on meth or another harsh drug, it seems.
This is, my name is James. Sosa. Sammy.
What's your name?
James.
And who are you looking for?
A friend of mine.
No friend of yours lives here, buddy. And I got a Glock over here ready for you. So if you don't get the fuck off my porch, I'm gonna unload it on your fucking face. Get the fuck off my porch.
This one is an excellent illustration of the significance of situational awareness. The couple was followed home by two wigged, armed assailants who were captured on doorbell video by the pair. The pair said that while they were making their way home, a man and woman began to pursue them. When they arrived at their front door, the male aggressor brandished a gun at the backs of the couple. Fortunately, the couple quickly inside and slammed the door shut. The wigged attackers then turned and rushed away, laughing. They successfully robbed a different victim at gunpoint minutes after the attacker fled. Fortunately, the male gunman was apprehended just one day after the media broadcast the video, and someone who recognized him turned him in, even though his identity hasn't been made public. If the couple hadn't gone inside right away and slammed the door, what might have transpired is unknown. Here's an illustration of how the mere appearance of a doorbell camera might serve as a deterrent. Here, a man in an apartment building approaches someone's door and poses as a police officer in order to get the person on the other side to open up. Whether the man knew the residents or not is unknown, but it is clear that whatever would have happened if the door had been opened wouldn't have been good for the police.
Police!
He glances over to the camera, and the look on his face tells it all. A few seconds later, he walks away and sounds like he's saying, "OSHT, the wrong one has me."
Oh shit, I'm in the wrong room.
My interpretation of the situation is that he recognized what he had just done was all captured on camera, so in an effort to explain himself or give himself some type of break, he reasoned that by claiming he was in the wrong room on camera, he would be shielded from any potential accusations. It's incredibly distressing, but thankfully no one was harmed. On September 14, 2022, two armed, masked intruders forced their way into the Virginia house of an old couple and forced them to wait in a closet while the two thieves grabbed their goods.
Get in the crib, don't say nothing, Y'all get in the closet right now. Get in the closet, I'm not fucking playing, get in the closet right now. Get in the closet, hurry up, get up. Get up. Hurry up. Get up. Hurry up, get up.
If you pay close attention, you can hear the elderly woman telling the burglars that her husband underwent hip surgery as they commanded him to hurry and get up. The elderly man then says it to himself as he fumbles to stand and move to the closet door. The robbers quickly flee after finding the pair in the closet as one carries out a safe and the other seizes a wallet and the couple's phones. It appears that someone who was living with the couple had tens of thousands of dollars in that safe. The two suspects were identified by the police as Mitchell Boney Jr., 25, and Tyree DeMont Boney Jr., 22. Mitchell actually turned himself in, and charges of armed robbery, gun possession, kidnapping, and conspiracy to commit robbery were brought against him. Tyree is apparently still at large. They obviously knew where the safe was, which is possibly the scariest aspect of this. You should always be cautious about who enters your home and what they see. 5 suspects in a home burglary from Castleton last week are visible in Ring doorbell video that the IMPD has released. The public's assistance in identifying the suspects photographed is hoped for by the police.
Check to see if it's on.
We see a woman sneaking around a man's apartment building in San Jose, California, turning doorknobs. The homeowner eventually responds to the speaker before going outside to investigate and turning her away.
Yeah. Can I help you? Move, get out of my way. What's up? No, why you coming on my door? Don't come back to the door.
A different video taken at the same location reveals the woman returning later and actually entering the home.
Hey, get the f*** out of my...
Thanks for watching Terror TV. To view any or all episodes of this video series, please click the link in the description below. Be sure to check out any of our other video series available for your viewing pleasure in the playlists section of this channel. See you on the next episode of Terror TV.